a petition that was brought by members of the public to the County Assembly for consideration.
What were the issues that the County Assembly was supposed to
the issues that members of the public were raising emanated actually from the last impeachments, where the governor said it is not me. For everything, it is not me. And the members of the public now saying, if it is not you, then there is somebody else. And they petitioned the County Assembly through this petition on page 206 to investigate and take action against those that were them.
How many members?
Because it wasn't the governor.
How many members proposed that petition?
1,611 members of MERU County from all the 45 wards brought this petition to the County Assembly.
Did they append their signatures to that particular petition in support
yes.
of the same?
Yes.
Do we find that evidence from page 258?
Yes.
Did the County Assembly, sorry, you beg your pardon, Honorable Senators, should be from page
214.
Volume 2, Honorable Senators. From page 214 to 258. Those are the signatures in support of that particular petition, correct?
Yes.
Did the County Assembly consider that petition? And if yes, what was the outcome?
Yes, a joint committee of the Committee on Labor and Justice was directed to consider this petition. And upon consideration, the joint committee made recommendations to the governor.
Did the County Assembly generate a report?
Yes.
Emanating from that particular petition?
Yes.
Where is the report found in your bundle of documents?
Page 90 of volume 2.
Page 90 of volume 2.
Yes.
Honorable Senators, I hope you are there with me. Page 90 of volume 2. That is the report of the particular committee concerned, correct?
Yes.
Were there recommendations that ensued therefrom?
Yes.
Where do we find those recommendations?
There were...
Where do we find them? Do we find them at page 140?
On page 140 of volume 2. Page 140 of volume 2.
Page 140.
Yes.
Did you conduct a hearing, or did you give these individuals a fair opportunity to appear before the committee before the decision was rendered?
Yes.
Did all the members who were affected by the petition participate in that process?
They participated except...
Yes.
They all participated.
Yes.
Except the Chief of Staff, Harrison Gatobu Arias Nchambambede,
yes,
who did not respond to the summons.
Did the petition relate to only those two individuals, or there were other individuals who were also involved in that petition?
There were 12 of them.
There were 12 of them?
Yes.
All of them in the executive office of the governor, correct?
Yes.
Were all verdicts positive or negative in respect to all the 12?
All verdicts were not, some verdicts were positive, others were negative.
When you say they were positive, what do you mean?
Some of the County Executive Committee members were very clean. We did not have an issue, we did not find any issue with them. So...
they were acquitted, correct?
They were acquitted, yes.
So, at page 140, what is the County Assembly recommending? Page 140, paragraph 14, Honorable Senators.
Paragraph 14 on page 40, that the Chief of Staff, Harrison Gatobu Arias Nchambambede, contravened section 18(1) as read together with sections 22 and 27 of the County Assembly's Powers and Privilege Act 2017 by failing to honor the summons and invitations to appear before the various assembly committees, including this joint committee, to produce evidence and respond to the allegations leveled against him in this petition.
Those are the findings, correct?
Yes.
Does he always oblige to summons, or is perpetually and notorious of ignoring the same?
He doesn't.
Again, what then do you continue to read?
This wanton disregard for all for summons and invitations by the respective committees of the County Assembly was not only in contravention of their foreseen laws, but also acted to undermine the standing of the County Assembly as a whole.
Was this communication ever made known to the governor?
Yes, it was made to the governor.
Where in your evidence are you recommending their removal?
On the same page, page 140, on committee recommendations, I would wish Honorable Speaker and Honorable Senators to read recommendation number 2 on page 140, that the governor do dismiss the County Secretary, Dr. Kiambi Adero Thambura, and the Chief of Staff, Mr. Harrison Gatobu Arias Nchambambede, from office for gross violation of the Constitution and other statutory laws.
Was this communication ever made known to the governor?
Yes, the communication was made to the governor.
Where do we find that evidence in your bundle of documents?
Page 144 of the same document, volume 2.
Page 144.
Yes.
Of the same document.
Yes.
Let's describe that document. From whom is this document?
The document is from the County Assembly of MERU.
When is it dated?
It is dated 14th December 2023.
Who is the author of the document?
The author of the document is the Clerk, County Assembly of MERU.
Was the document ever served upon the intended recipients?
Yes.
Do you have evidence of service?
Yes.
Where is evidence of service found in that document?
Page 145.
No, I'm asking on page 144. Did the governor or the office of the governor acknowledge receipt of that letter?
Yes.
How did they acknowledge receipt?
The office of the Chief of Staff acknowledged receipt on 18th December 2023.
How did they acknowledge it? How did they acknowledge?
The stamp.
They acknowledged it by stamping.
By stamping it on 18th December 2023.
So on that date, the governor was made aware of that particular resolution, correct?
Yes.
Did she act upon that resolution?
No.
Does that therefore amount to upholding the rule of law and Article 10?
No.
Does it contribute to good governance?
No.
Does it contribute to respecting other constitutional institutions as the status of the County Assembly?
No.
Does it amount to a governor who wants to be held accountable and responsible?
No.
Does it undermine the integrity and the power of the County Assembly?
Yes, it undermines.
Does it therefore equally amount to violating Article 1 of the Constitution on the sovereignty of the people?
Yes.
Is that an impeachable ground under Article 181?
Yes.
As read together with Section 33 of the Constitution?
Yes.
Have you therefore substantiated your case as against the governor in respect to this particular allegation?
Yes.
How has their continuous holding of office compromised service delivery in Meru County?
It has seriously compromised service delivery because all the illegal appointments made by the county government of Meru are made by the county secretary, including appointing very junior officers to very senior positions, which has seriously compromised service delivery in Meru County. And an instance like the one I talked about in the video, where an officer in job group M supervises officers in job group R.
A moment, please. The honorable
Yes.
senators are taking note of that particular evidence.
Yes,
It's your evidence that they have compromised service delivery.
yes,
And you have evidence to show how that has been compromised in the county.
yes.
Where is that evidence? And as you look at the evidence, how has that been manifested?
On page
Volume, identify the volume and
volume
page.
2.
Volume
we have
2,
Volume 2.
volume 2,
Yes, volume 2.
yes. Page,
Sorry, the volume 2, we have the document on page 198,
198.
but because in the bundle of documents it's not clear, the page is not clear, we made a clear copy. It's in volume 6.
Six.
Volume 6, a replacement of this document on volume 2, page 198.
Yes, let's, honorable senators, go to volume 2.
Volume 2 is not clear, so I'm talking about now volume 6. We made
Volume
a clearer
six,
copy.
okay. Volume 6 is a replica of what we find at
Page
volume-
198.
at page 198.
Volume 2.
Honorable senators, if you'll go with me to page 30 of volume 6, which is a replica of the same evidence. Volume 6 at page 31.
Sorry, honorable members, it's volume 6, page 31. On this page, honorable speaker and honorable members,
Yes?
I sought a statement from the county government in June 2023 on the deployment of directors in the county government of MERU,
Yes?
which a statement which was never responded to
Whom had you sought the statement from?
from the county executive in charge,
From the county executive in charge.
committee in charge.
Right.
The county executive was summoned by the assembly and gave us a list of directors that are working in the county government of Meru on page 31.
Yes?
And the illegal appointments I'm talking about, honorable members, are found on this page 31. And honorable speaker and honorable members, I would want to take you to the column on serial numbers. Number 8. This is the list of directors in Meru County.
Yes?
You will find that an officer by the name Kabuae Munene Eric,
Paragraph, name in terms of the numbers.
the number 8.
Number 8.
Number 8,
Yes?
honorable members,
We have where we have the identification number, correct?
yes.
That one is lacking, yes?
The name is Kabuae Munene Eric,
Abuai Monene Eric, a male, yes?
a male.
Job group J.
Job Group J.
Yes.
Job Group J has been deployed illegally by the county secretary to act as the director ICT. For those who have experience in public service, honorable members, will bear witness that an officer in Job Group J is a very junior officer to supervise officers in Job Group P, Job Group Q,
Thank you.
Job Group R.
That is delivered. Where,
Those are the illegal appointments
Thank you.
we are accusing
Thank you,
the
madam.
county secretary of.
Thank you, Madam Witness. Where-
Among others on that list, honorable members.
would you kindly point out other ones that amount that violation?
Yes.
Yes, just
Let's go down on serial number 24. Serial number 24.
Yes.
We have another officer in the name of Karaine Susan Gitura. Yes.
Yes.
Job group F. A female.
A female.
Female, job group L.
Job group L.
Job group L is still a very junior job group. Cannot be appointed.
A moment, Madam Madam Witness.
Sorry.
And kindly listen to me, so that we may move together.
Sorry.
What is she being appointed to? Which department?
Roles.
Which position?
Director.
Which job group?
The substantive appointment is R, job group R.
Ordinarily, it should be job group R.
R.
But who is being appointed here, and she's in which job group?
Susan, Karaine Susan Gitura is appointed to her job group R, and she is in job group L.
What is the status of the roads and transport network in Meru County as we speak?
Very bad.
Is there hue and cry?
Indeed, there is.
Hue and cry.
Yes.
Thank you. Is there any other entry that you wish the senators to look at? Serial number 25?
Serial number 25.
Yes. Who is being appointed?
Maraine Cyprian.
Yes.
Amel.
Yes.
Job group L.
Correct. Director?
Director Roads and Transport in charge of fleet management.
And she's being appointed to oversee the road transport and energy sector, correct?
Yes.
And she's the Directorate of Fleet Management,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Does she qualify for that appointment?
She doesn't. He doesn't. It's a he. He doesn't.
Doesn't qualify.
Yes.
Kindly confirm that this is a list of directors that you received pursuant to your search of information, and that the same came from the county executive.
I can confirm.
And at page 32, do you have any other indication that you'd wish the senators to note?
Council for the County Assembly, just pause a bit. Senator Boni, what is your intervention?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm following page 31, and I would like further clarity, because the 4 officers whom Madam has referred to don't have payroll numbers.
You will have that opportunity,
Yes.
Senator Boni.
Could they tell me so that I know whether
No,
they are
no, no,
real
no.
or not?
Not now. She'll tell you, but not now. You will have an opportunity to seek those clarifications. At that time, you'll be given your clarification. Proceed, Council for the County Assembly.
Madam, thank you, Honorable Speaker. Madam Witness,
Yes.
kindly refer to me with me at page 30 of the said document, yes?
Yes.
That is a letter dated the 25th of June 2024, correct?
Yes.
The letter is addressed to the Clark County Assembly of Meru, correct?
Yes.
And the same comes from one Dixon Munene Nkatha, correct?
Yes.
Who is Dixon Munene?
Dixon Monene is the CCM, the County Executive Committee member for Legal Affairs.
Is this the letter that forwarded this list?
Yes.
And therefore you confirm its source, correct?
Yes.
And that the same was received by the County Assembly Clerk on the 25th of June 2024, correct?
Yes.
Honorable Senator Khalwale
Yes.
wanted you to confirm whether there is payroll indicated there too. Number.
I can confirm that there is no payroll number.
Yes.
That is indicated there. And I may not know the intention, the reason, because that's an official document from the county government.
But you have evidence before this assembly that they have maintained 2 types of payrolls, correct?
Yes.
Both manual
Yes.
and
IPPD.
IPPD.
Yes.
And that you have evidence to that effect that you shall be leading in the future.
Yes.
Now, before I yield you to my learned friend, I'll only ask you one question about ground number 6. Yes?
Yes.
Ground number 6 is that you are accusing the governor of deliberately and knowingly misleading the public. But before we go to that, do you have evidence before this assembly where service delivery has been compromised? Do you have a video indicating how service delivery has been compromised?
Yes.
Would you wish to play video number 11 in our videos?
Yes.
Kindly have it played. Our videos in support of the motion. Honorable Madam Speaker, we might be requiring the assistance of the interpreter once more.
Can the interpreter come in? I direct that the interpreter be brought in. The interpreter is here. You may proceed to play the video.
Akari muno ekoroba kiwochwa tigania centro me maternity sibitari kiwochwa.
The interpreter.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and honorable members. These are residents of Kiwochwa Ward. Once again, my name is Muthengi Mpara. I'm from KBC, Mwago FM, the translator.
Are you translating the first part of that video? We're expecting that you will do that. Can you...
Kiwochwa tigania centro me maternity sibitari kiwochwa bagetia machokio kuma kemandaitari nara kinyaba kwenda kunenkero mwana ora inala simekire kwero mwana keni neke sibitari.
These are women from Kigochwa who are doing a demonstration outside Kigochwa dispensary, and they want to know what is really happening after a woman was given, who was given birth outside the hospital.
Aitederwa ne kurubangi bantora untuba kuwa ne watibo nene ke mwana na kinyeina.
The woman is delivered, assisted by other women from the village, and the people, the residents, say that it is a big risk to the kid and the mother herself. We came here at 4 a.m. and I found this woman who was asking for assistance. She was looking for the watchman, and she asked me to help her reach out to the watchman. I was coming to pray. She was given the kid outside here on the field. We are chasing away the kids who want to join us in the process of helping during the delivery. It is a big embarrassment, and it is not a good thing.
no te chimana gore kuwa batu ire to tere to pa publica mo go to ya nyango situ na uto ora kuma merengeti to nganya.
She was given the kid around 6:20. That's now when we came in, we went to the village to look for some clothing, the blankets, so that we can help cover the kid. We did everything, including clothing for the kid and anything else. And now we are waiting for the doctor to come in and maybe do the examination. The doctor will come. We are waiting for the doctor to come so that he can confirm whether the kid is okay or not. Women and men from Kigochwa are embarrassed, and they say it is something that is disrespecting in the community. Especially now that the hospital is along the road. Women are delivering outside. Governor Kawira Mwangaza is a woman just like the women that are delivering outside here. Why can she look at this hospital and take it like hospital, or has it become a toilet?